Okay, this part 11 I want to show you how to use password hash and the password verify. Yes, although the secret function is secure, it is considered by many to be too complicated and prone to programmer or some developer then use a vector and weak algorithm for generating a handstand. For example, this is that we want to have a password, we want to hash we normal password to the hash. For example, I go to the code. Yes, I want to create the hash. For example, hash .php. So I want to hash string. For example, wd. Yes. So then I want to have the password. Okay, we have the password. And right now I put the password I want to hash, and then we use the password default. Good, and I want to echo hash password. Yes, when I say already, I go to the browser, I refresh. Yeah, I click password hash.php. So, okay, I close it. I refresh. So you can see the normal string into the password that we want to hash. Yes, hash. This is better than define as a1a and the hash function, because when we refresh every time or the user create password mean that the password has changed every time. For example, we want to refresh, yeah, the encryption change every time. Okay. Okay, right now we want to change the hash password if verify equal with the hash. So we go to the slide and I want to use the password verify. Password verify, like that we have seen how to generate hash with the new API. Let's see how to verify password. Remember that you store the hash in a database. But it is the plain password that you get when the user log in. The password verify function takes a plain password and hash string its to a human. It will return true if it has matched the specified password. Okay, right now we use the function like this. So we go to the password. I go to I go to the browser. So then I want to refresh again, and I copy the password hash here. So then I go to password. Password hash. So then I want to compare with the password. For example, we use password verify, and right now I want to post wd password refer to the normal touch or not compared to with the hash. Okay, this is the password that we has already, mean that we want to compare. Okay, if the password string equal to the password hash, mean that so echo here. Yes, success login. If the string number is not equal with the hash password, there is no, and we use invalid password. Because when I want to refresh page, okay, echo. Okay, when I want to, so I want to refresh again. So you mean that the password login success. So and I want to use echo b1. Yes, again, and I refresh. So mean that the password successfully. If we want to, yeah, this is the generates every time. Yes, right now if I input the numbers when more, but the hash password we cannot change. So the result, so invalid the password. Okay, and now we go to free page. Okay, invalid password. I copy here. Yes, invalid password. If we want to copy here, I copy. So I replace here because the password has generated from the number 1 to number 7. So I click here. Yeah, so and I refresh again. So mean that the success login. Okay. If we remove the number 7 and I refresh again, invalid success. Invalid password. Yes, this lesson I hope that you will know clearly how to create the undefined SA1A and hash and the hash and password hash is with the verified password. So I want to go to move. Yeah, we go to move the session start in the part 12. Okay, right now we say goodbye. In the next time I want to show you how to use session start and session destroy. Okay, thank you so much.